drum set, cash prize, the big trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, you have found your winners. And we want to thank you for coming here. So, ready? Let's go. First place winner, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and let's make welcome Dinthill Technical High School. One Marine, ladies and gentlemen.
Whole heap of work and hard work finally pay off. Finally pay off. On late night they have to these kids with the one care we have. Trust me, a lot of work on the final, and we're so grateful and we're so happy that the seed that we've sown, we finally reap it. So because they're so talented and they catch on so quickly, it's easier to create with them. It's easier to get ideas. Once they sing something, say, all right, what do this? You know? Easy, very easy.
Are you coming to the fair next year?
Definitely, of course, man. Every year. Every year we come for the trophy.
To be honest, they have grown since the last few competitions and I'm really proud of them. Persons came out of their comfort zones, persons were learning new things, they were embracing the experience and I'm really proud of them for that.